guys, TJ Griner here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Beautiful day today, a little chilly this morning. I'm actually standing on board a brand new Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. This boat specifically is powered with 3 Mercury Verado 400 horsepower engines. I am standing on the platform that folds down here, and we're going to walk through the boat, show you all the features. Let's take a quick look. Alright guys, so on the transom of the boat, a couple really neat features. This platform lays out when you're at the sandbar. So great for putting drinks on, serving platters, awesome for the kids to run and jump off into the water. This backrest does move, and you can sit facing the action this way, or keep it as normal facing aft on the boat, depending on what your mood is that day. As you make your way in, you do have a stereo control here. There is an insulated box for a cooler. We've got a couple coolers underneath here as well. This table is folding, so if you wanted a full table to sit at and enjoy some lunch, maybe a nice evening dinner. We do have a sink to your starboard side as you get on. There is 2 trash cans in this compartment. You've got a fridge freezer combo as well as some drawers down below. Keep your utensils and stuff tucked away. We do have 2 grills on this boat optioned out, so the twin grill option, and it does come with a TV as well, which we'll show you in a minute. But that's going to sit right here facing everyone enjoying their meal or just relaxing on the boat for the day. Let's move our way forward and take a look at the helm area. So you see at the helm, Sea Ray did an excellent job at placement. Everything's very beautiful. You've got nice stitching. We've got twin Simrad GPS chart plotters. With this Simrad, your switches and stuff are integrated as well, so you can open and close your Sure Shade. You've got your Fusion stereo system laid into the dash area. The boat is equipped with Seakeeper. We do have a joystick piloting on the boat, as well as automatic trim tabs from Lenco. Let's walk forward and take a look at the bow area. So the bow area is really nice up here. You've got room for 3 adults sitting here with armrests. There is stereo control. You've got USB chargers up front. Plenty of cup holders all throughout. You do have a windlass anchor on this boat. There's freshwater washdown as well up front, so you can clean your anchor off when you're bringing it up, or spray yourself down up here if you get a little extra hot. There is a table that would sit up here as well, and we do offer a filler cushion to put this as more of a lounge area if you like that. Let's walk back and take a peek at what the inside has to offer. So sitting down here in the berth area of the 400 SLX outboard, I'll say it's just the right amount of room. AC blowing on a hot Florida day, this would be great to come down and get out of the sun, out of the heat, out of the rain, out of really any condition you just want to get kind of down here and relax. There is a TV, there's a sound bar down here, you've got USB chargers, there's a fridge freezer combo, we do have a microwave and a full walk-in head area that can turn into a shower. This boat easily could sleep 2 couples. You could definitely sleep a couple and multiple children. Just the right amount of space. I think it's awesome to have a boat that is just a killer day boat, run out, do the sandbars, but you could also do some trips on it. You could spend the night on this. You could bounce around the state of Florida to marinas. So I would definitely recommend the boat. I think it's an awesome platform. For more information about this boat, again, my name is TJ Griner, MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Give me a call on my cell, 813-323-5220. I look forward to seeing you out on the water.